Good morning to one and all. So I am I. Govindraj, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Here we are going to see the video lecture on deleting a node in doubly linked list. Okay, there are various operations for deleting a node in doubly linked list. There is three operations: deleting a node at the beginning or first. Second one, deleting a node at the last or end. Third one, deleting a node at a specified position. Okay, these are three different operations in deletion in doubly linked list. Okay, first we are going to see the deleting a node at the beginning or first. Okay, so how can you able to delete an element in a given linked list? Okay, we have to check the conditions. What the simplest condition is? So deleting in doubly linked list at the beginning is the simplest operation in any different days of linked list. Alright, we just need to copy the head pointer to pointer temp and shift the head pointer to its next. Okay, this is an algorithm. Okay, the basic scenario is we have to check whether the given list is empty or not. If the list is empty means we cannot able to delete any element from the list. Okay, this is the first one. And the second one, if there is any element is present in the given linked list. Okay, it may be one element, it may be two element, it may be three element. Take an example for one element. If one element is present in the given linked list means we can able to delete it and make the head pointer as null. Okay, this should be second scenario. And third one, if it may be n number of elements present in the given linked list or n number of nodes present in the given linked list, it may be 2 nodes or 5 nodes. Okay, we can easily delete the first element. Okay, make head pointer point to the second node of given linked list. Okay, this is the simplest scenario. Okay, that's only here I am going to create a head pointer point to the temp. Okay, we have to create a temporary pointer. The temporary pointer point to the first node of the given linked list, and the head pointer also point to the first node of the given link. Later, head pointer should be changed. Okay, shift the head pointer to its next. Next is nothing but a field. Okay, field is that address. Okay, point to the next field node. Okay, it automatically change the first node into second. So this is an example of deleting a node at beginning. Okay, consider three nodes present in the given linked list. Okay, node 1 address is 100, node 2 200, node 3 300. Each node having a three fields. One is a data field, previous field, and then next field. Okay, the first node of the given linked list of previous field occupies null, and the last node next field indicates null. This is the first node, this is the last node. Okay, they are having a two pointer. One is called as next pointer and the previous pointer. The head pointer pointing to the first node of the given linked list. Okay, so initially this is the first node, second node, third node. The first node is 100. Okay, the head pointer point to the first node of the given linked list. Our aim is deleting a node at the beginning, so we are going to delete this node from the given linked list. So how can I able to delete it? Alright. Okay, consider these are the four different types of node present in the given linked list. So node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4. So my aim is to delete the beginning of the node in the given linked list. Okay, I'm going to delete 1010. Initially, head pointer point to the first node in the given linked list. What is head pointer? 1010. Okay, that is I'm going to change the head pointer. Head equal head of next. Head of next is head of next. Head pointer next equal to head, that is head equal to 2020. Automatically changes head pointer pointing to this location. Okay, disconnect this location. Already I created temporary pointer, that is temp equal to head. Okay, temp of next. What is temp of next? This is temp of next. Next is 2020. Okay, that should be changed into null. NULL. Null means the connection is terminated from the previous first node to the newly first node. And then head of previous. What is head of previous? This head of previous already 1010 should be changed into null. Alright, we have connection is terminated from the new node, that is new first node, to the previously first node. Okay, later temporary pointer point to the existing node, existing first node, that is we have using a function free temp. Okay, this is the way we can able to delete an element from the given linked list. Okay, here we are going to see the pictorial representation how can able to delete an element from the given linked list. Okay, void is a return type. This is a function name delete first. struct node temp. Okay, we are going to create a new temporary pointer. Alright, temp equal head we are going to assign. Okay, we have to check the condition if head equal to equal null. Okay, if head equal to equal null means node is empty, you cannot delete any element from the given linked list. Okay, return come out of the function. Okay, if there is a single element present in the given linked list or two element, three element, any number of elements present in the given linked list. Okay, if head of next equal to equal null. So what the meaning says, head is, this is head of next is null. This is null means we having only one node present in the given link, because this is the end of the given linked list. We are identified this is the last node, this is the first node in the given linked list. Okay, and later we have to change head equal to null. Okay, how can I able to change head equal to null? Initially this is the node present in a given linked list, head pointer equal to 4000. Okay, previous field null and the next field null. This is existing node. Okay, existing node means only one node present in the given linked list, and then I'm going to change head equal to null. Alright, here I'm going to change head pointer equal to null. Okay, if head pointer equal null means this connection is automatically terminated from the existing link. Okay, and then printf the first element %d is deleted from the linked list. Okay, so I already explained that. So temp equal head, what is the previous value of temp is 4000. Okay, and the temporary pointer also pointing to the first node of the given linked list. Alright, given linked list, that is start temp is 40. Alright, here first element 40 is deleted from the linked list. Okay, star is a value going to present a certain value using a pointer variable, and then have changed head equal to null. So later using a function name free temp is nothing but 4000, we have to delete this node from the given linked list. Later head equal to equal null means the list is empty, the only one element is present in the given linked list, deleted properly. Okay, this is the first operation. And the second scenario, okay, if there is n number of elements present in the given linked list, the else part. Okay, first part is we have to check the list is empty or not. If list is empty means you cannot able to delete any element from the given linked list. If only one element is present in the given linked list means identify head of next equal to null. Null means that is the last element present in the given linked list. We can able to delete the element using a temporary pointer. And third condition is if there is n number of elements present in the given linked list, my aim is to delete the node at beginning. Okay, we have to eliminate or delete a certain element, certain node beginning. I'm going to delete this node from the given linked list. How can I able to delete it? Alright, if there is more number of node in the present in the given linked list. Okay, understand? And then already explained temp equal head. Okay, temporary pointer also point to first node of the given linked list. Okay, this plays an important key role. And then temp also temp equal head pointing point to the first node of the given linked list. Okay, and then head equal head of next. What is head? Head is 1000 of next, 1000 of next is 2000. Okay, the head pointer changes, that is head equal head of next is 2000. Okay, automatically head equal 2000. Okay, this should be changed, head should be changed into 2000. Should be changed into 2000 means the link is automatically disconnected from the first node. Have you understand? Okay, and then the link is generated from here to there. Alright, that is head equal to 2000. Head of next is 2000. Okay, the link is terminated, and then temp of next. What is temp of next? Temp is 100, of next is temp of next is null. We have to terminate this link from the old node. Okay, temp of next is, this temp is 1000 of next is, we have to change this as null. Alright, this should be changed into null, because we have terminated the connection between this node to second node. Okay, we have to terminate the connections. And then head of previous. What is head of previous? This is head of previous. Previous is 1000. Okay, we have to make change this also, because this is the first node, means first node previous. Okay, also change it into null. Okay, that is head of previous equal to null. Have understand? And then this connection is automatically terminated to the existing node. Understand? And then enter the first element %. First element %is 10. That is start temp. Temporary pointer pointing to the old node, that is 10. Here 10 is deleted from the list, going to print properly. Later free temp. Okay, free is going to deallocate the memory. Okay, temp is 1000 should be deleted from the given linked list. Now this is the first node of the existing list. Okay, have understand? So thank you for watching this.